Hello friends, welcome again to our fourth video towards our collective goal of achieving groundwater consistency in our country by year 2030. Friends, so far we have seen how by creating awareness, by managing the RO water and by using the spray, we can save around 19 cubic kilometer of water. We are far away from our goal of saving 230 cubic kilometer per year, which is the groundwater right now we are drawing annually. We have to do a lot in the next 10 years to achieve the magical revival of groundwater table. Job in hand is not an ordinary one, but think about the satisfaction we are going to get once we are able to hand over a robust groundwater system to our next generation in the year 2030. Okay, we all know that just by talking we are not going to achieve anything. We have to act. Only actions will get us towards the results. Yet there is a catch. You should not limit yourself to just listening to these videos and implementing them only in your own house. You have to become a crusader, a leader, and spread the words to your surroundings, in your circle. We are assuming 1 crore compliance, which is a very small figure. It should be much more. Friends, in your surrounding many times you might have seen water overflowing from the overhead tanks while the house owners fill their tanks using the bore pumps. Definitely it might have appealed you a lot, and I am quite sure that you must have definitely attempted to alert the house owners to stop the pump. Do you know how much water it is wasting in this process? In this situation, how much water is getting wasted? On an average, delivery rate of such pumps, capacity of which normally varies from half HP to 1.5 HP, is between 50 liters to 150 liters per minute. Assuming an average wastage of 100 liters of water from one such overflow, total wastage for 1 crore overflows per year anywhere in India is 0.4 cubic kilometer. No such overflows stops exactly just in 1 minute. In some cases we have observed hours together it goes on. For our assumption, we are taking just 3 minutes of overflow. The total wastage comes to 1.2 cubic kilometer per year. Whenever repeatedly such wastages happen, it does not occur just for once. In some cases twice, sometimes thrice a day. But we don't want to go into such details. All we want to bring to your notice is it's a colossal wastage of groundwater that is happening in our country. And this has to stop immediately within a year. Within this year, by the end of year 2022. You'll be shocked, but the fact is sea water level is rising 0.8 mm per year just because the groundwater is reaching up to the sea from all over the world. Around 4,000 cubic kilometer of water evaporates mostly from sea and various water bodies and falls back as rain in India. We have in hand a big opportunity to reduce the sea level if we trap this rain in our ground and water bodies. But exactly opposite is happening. Sea level is increasing and ground level is falling. Thousands of overflow prevention mechanisms are available. 50 rupees a unit to around 10,000 rupees a unit. But the basic and the most important aspect is we should have in our mind a genuine concern for the water. If we continue to treat the water the way we are treating it now, the day will not be far when most of us will be forced to stand in line for water, and with no amount of money we can get water to meet our day-to-day requirement. There are simple ways to prevent wastages. With zero cost, almost you can achieve zero wastage of water. Just fix a safe timing of pumping in your mind. Start the pump and precisely at that time switch off the pump. Yes, you have to stand near the starter for some time. But this is far better than your future generation standing in queue for water. You know, when you are wasting water by pumping, you are not only wasting your own water, but also the water of all those bore pumps that are sharing the same water table. This is an important information to all of us. Those who see and ignore the wastage, there is no individual water table. It's a common table for a big area. In 200 to 300 rupees, we can get an alarm system. It can be installed in less than 1000 rupees. As soon as the tank fills to a set level, you get an audio alarm. You can switch off the pump and prevent overflow wastage. Semi-auto systems can be installed in 3000 to 4000 rupees. Semi-auto means you switch on the pump and the system will switch off the pump automatically when the tank fills to a set level. For a fully auto system, different models are available, ranging from around 4000 rupees to 7000 rupees, which completely eliminates the requirement of monitoring. The system automatically switches the pump on and off depending upon the level inside the tank. This is normally a one-time investment, and we recommend a robust and reliable system so that you can completely forget the work. In our coming videos, we will be discussing about them in details. Meanwhile, you can search in your locality and can find a mechanism which is quite suitable for your requirements. These are very easy to install. Any electrician in your area can do it. Okay? That's it for the day, friends. In the last videos, we have discussed about the awareness, spray, RO water management, and today about the overflow wastage. These 3-4 steps, if we remain focused, can possibly save approximately 20 cubic kilometer of water, which otherwise will go as waste. We need to work more. So let's move ahead and spread the words among our friends and accomplish the task by year 2030. We will be coming up with more such videos in this regard and keep you informed and alert about the more and more possibilities of the building groundwater. Okay? Till then, I take leave from you. Stay healthy and stay happy. And of course, let our ground remain full of groundwater. Thank you. It's a Green Facts India presentation.